In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your trade data from TradingView into a CSV file. This is an essential skill for anyone who wants to analyze their trading data outside the platform using spreadsheet programs such as Excel or Google Sheets. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the TradingView website and log into your account if you aren't already. Once logged in, head over to the chart section. For this demonstration, we will be using the BTC/USD demo asset. This chart displays the historical pricing data for a specific trading instrument, in this case, Bitcoin compared to the US dollar. You can choose to use your own asset chart if you prefer, but for consistency, we'll use BTC/USD in our example. Next, take a look at the toolbar located at the top of your chart interface. This is where you'll find various commands and options for managing your chart data. Click on the highlight icon, which will guide you to the options needed for exporting your trade data. TradingView allows you to save the visual data from your chart, such as tickers, indicators, and price movements, into a CSV file format. This is particularly useful for a deeper analysis outside of TradingView's platform, giving you the flexibility to track trends and make data-driven decisions. Moving on, after you click on the highlight icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option Export Chart Data. This is the key step in our process, as it will enable you to extract the current data reflected on your chart. Once you select this, the Export button will appear within your chart interface. Click on the Export button to initiate the download process. The data you see on your chart, up to this point, will now begin to download in a CSV format. Remember, the data exported is only representative of what is currently visible on your chart. Therefore, if you need more comprehensive data, perhaps covering a broader historical scope, simply scroll left or adjust the x-axis to load more data points. Doing this will ensure you have as much information as you need before exporting it. And there you have it. The CSV file will now download directly to your computer, ready for use in your preferred spreadsheet software. You can now delve into your trading analysis, comparing indicators, noting patterns, and even setting up additional formulas to aid your decision making. This seamless export feature is invaluable for traders looking to go beyond the insights provided by TradingView alone. With your data now in CSV form, the opportunities for custom analysis are endless. Enjoy the deeper dive into your trading strategies and make the most of the enhanced data analysis capabilities this export option offers.